Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. It's me, Lindsey, and in today's video, we're introducing our very first series on this channel, Braid Out 101. Today's video is the first episode in this series, and I'm going to go over what product to use, how to assemble your braids, and how it should look when you're done. For this style, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I've already put in the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint Leave-In Conditioner. The main product that I used for this style was a hair butter, and the butter is called the Mielle Organics Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. I'm starting off with the medium-sized section and tying away the rest of the hair in that section. When I have my desired section, I begin by spritzing my hair with my spray bottle, and I fully detangle the section. It's important to fully detangle the section so that your hair can be most defined. If your hair is not fully detangled, you won't get as much definition, and there'll be many knots when you're trying to take the braid out afterwards. After detangling the section, I add enough hair butter to saturate the whole entire section, and then I detangle with my brush one more time. This fully defines my curls before I braid it. This is the important step to your braid out. What you want to do is tightly begin to braid your hair. You want to make sure that each strand of your hair is tightly held in your hand as you braid the hair down. About 1 inch from the end of your hair, you want to begin to 2-strand twist your hair. But before you do this, you want to fully detangle that hair beforehand. This is so that there's no knots in the hair. After detangling it, you 2-strand twist the hair tightly to the end of it. And when you reach the end of your hair, you just want to finger coil the curl around your finger so that it can stay in place. A braid out can be done in many ways, either with larger braids or smaller braids, and I prefer to have medium-sized braids to get more definition in my hair. This is how your braid should look after you've braided it and finger coiled the end of the braid. I'm going to braid the rest of my hair and let you guys watch how I do it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. finish braiding your whole entire head, you want to use some kind of oil to seal in the moisture. The oil that I'm using today is the African Pride Miracle Moisture Oil. And I just put a little bit in my hands, rub it together, and rub the oil all over my hair strand. It's the next day. These are the final results. My hair is completely dry. If you would like to see how I take it down and stretch my hair and wear it out, go to the next video in the series. Thank you for watching. Bye.